Hey, this is Dave and Rich again from HouseBarons.com, and today we're going to show you how to drill a hole in tile. If you have the right tools, it's not that super challenging, but you have to be careful. And so we're going to show Caleb doing this for the first time, and we'll kind of walk you through it. Basically what we're doing is putting water on the tile because you have a diamond tipped bit that's going to cut into the tile. And he's got it started, he started on an angle, because if you do this way it's going to want to zip all around the tile. So he started it on an angle until he can cut a groove in there, and then slowly but surely he'll end up standing this up like this to cut the hole in. This diameter is perfect for shower heads, but we're also going to use this to make a little bit bigger hole so that we can get the shower valve through a piece of tile. So have at it. There you go. It punches through pretty easily. I don't know the elapsed time, and that was probably a couple minutes. And then all you got to do to get that piece out is just tap it out of that hole. There you go. And there's your tile piece. So now he's got about the center of the hole. So now he's going to use the drill and do other holes around this to enlarge this area. The trim piece that's going to go around the shower valve is about 5 or 6 inches. So he's got plenty of wiggle room, and it just doesn't have to be a beautiful cut. So he can make the smaller diamond tip drill bit work by drilling other holes around here to make this area larger. So we've used a marker here to kind of give us a little bit better ballpark of what still needs to go. So one more right here, one more right here, and maybe that one, and we'll see if this point needs to come off, but we're getting pretty close. All right, that's it. It's perfect. So a little bit of work. It looks really ugly, but again, our trim rig's about that wide, so it'll cover everything. It just needs to get a hole in a square piece of tile. So we're happy. It's up a little bit. The secret is just patience and a little bit of water on your tile to begin with. And then these diamond tipped blades cost $20 or $30. It's a little bit pricey, but it's a lot better than trying any other method. It's worth the investment. We've had that for multiple jobs. They last a pretty good long time. Hope this helps. If you've been thinking about tiling, but you're worried about what it might do to get a hole in the tile, well, now you know. Go do it. Thanks a lot for viewing. Don't forget to give us a like or a comment. Let us know how it's going. And also subscribe. We've got more videos coming. Thanks for viewing.